Catherine here. We're going to do some phonics practice today. So first let's get warmed up. Let's warm up our faces. Everyone go, ah, big stretch. Now go, ee, and go, ooh. Oh, wiggle your tongue. Lovely. Stretch your neck. You're ready for phonics practice. If you would like to challenge yourself, you have the option of saying the sound before I say it. So when you see the card, you can say the sound and then I will say it. Otherwise, just say the sound after I say it. Ready? Shh. Shh. Mm. Mm. Qu. R. R. E. E. Your. Oi. Oi. Ow. Ow. Air. Air. Ear. Ear. Ooh. Ooh. Uh. Uh. Or. A. I. That's it. Well done. See you next time.